guys, how are you? It's a beautiful sunny day in Syracuse. So, because I know you are in the works of your paper that it's due this week, I am recording this little video just to make sure everybody avoids these mistakes that usually happen all the time, and I'm all really looking forward for you guys to get an A plus on this paper. So what you're doing is a target segmentation analysis. This is how you do this paper. You introduce your company. Then, once you have selected your demographic, for the demographic factors, you need to discuss income, level of education, family composition, ethnicity if it's available. You need to discuss the ages. All that information, at least those 5 factors, should be included. Then you move on into the geographic location, and this is something everybody forgets. Nobody tells me where is the product going to be launched. Is the product going to be launched in New Hampshire? Is the product it's going to be launched in the whole New England region? Is it going to be launched in the West Coast? So you need to mention it. I can't assume what it's not written on a paper. So make sure you put it out there. If it's going to be nationwide, then say it nationwide. Don't lose points on these little details. Then you can deeper and say in the rural areas of New Hampshire, or if you are going to go into suburban areas. I mean, that depends on you. Last but not least is the psychographic segmentation, and this is probably the most important. Here you need to discuss what is the lifestyle of your target market, what are their behaviors, what are their values. So when you understand that, then you can really realize if your product is going to be a good fit for your desired target market. Or that's when you have the aha moment and you say, well, this does not match what my product offers. So make sure you cover all these items, and if you do so, you're aiming for an A. So as I said, very short video. Bye bye, have a good day.